Depression and anxiety are real, and we don't talk enough in this society about slow living and slowing down and giving ourselves the opportunity to rest and to just take a break from all of life's issues, problems, and challenges. In this culture, we live to work rather than working to live. And I'm on a journey to slow living and to more intentional living so that I can change that up and switch that up in my own life to bring more peace and to be more in tune with nature and with my own personal rhythm, and to bring more balance and harmony and more peace. I want more peace and more joy. And that begins inside. That begins with me. If you're on this slow living journey or you want to learn more about what it means to be a part of a slow living, then stay tuned for more videos. I got more, much more to share.